Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you an unboxing first look of the new Casio watch that I got. This will be a beater watch in my opinion, so yes, the pricing on this one is really low, so under $50, but I will talk about the prices a little bit later on. So this is the model. So it is Ae-1500Wh, and this is the universal part of the model number, and 5Avef is the probably EU specific part for the khaki variant. So once again, we have just a standard paper box. Model number, the module number is 3502. So inside we should have the manual. Yes, there is it. So a large chunk. All the information you will need for this module is inside. Okay, so let's talk about the watch. Let's put the plastic right here. So the module inside this one is the Quartz Casio 3502, which is obviously battery powered. You have a precision of plus or minus 30 seconds per month. These going spot on for I have them on my table for around, I don't know, a few weeks, maybe a month or less than a month, and they kept precisely the time, comparing with my computer, of course. Okay, so the case size, probably the most biggest Casio that you can get in this price range. So we have a 54.4 millimeters lug to lug, so this is the measurement from here to here. We have 51.2. There is no crown obviously, but this measurement here. And the thickness is 15.7 millimeters, so this part here. We have a resin case with a resin strap or band or bracelet, whatever you want to call it, and we have stainless steel back cover, which obviously houses the movement and the battery. Here's the information on the back cover. So made in China, yeah, module number and so on. Okay, let's talk about the functions really quickly. So we have your standard functioning, so calendar, a date, time, of course, hours, minutes, seconds. Then we have a 5-day alarm. There is a timer, stopwatch, and there is also a dual time function. How to call it, if you want to light it up in the dark, there is a 2 LED configuration inside the bottom part of the watch, so it will light up your dial. The glass is acrylic, so they used everything to keep the price down. You have 3 variants you can choose from, so obviously this one is the khaki. Then there is also a black version and there is also a gray version with reversed dial, so nicely done there. The band is resin, like I mentioned, with a standard buckle. This will fit a 24 centimeter wrist, so that is at the last position. Let me show you how this works. So even if you are having it on the last position, the keeper will nicely and store the piece of the strap right there. I've chosen this watch because I have a large wrist. I have around 23 centimeters, so I can wear it at the second from the last position. The weight comes at 58.5 grams or 2 ounces, so really nice and lightweight. The water resistance is 10 bar, that is 100 meters or 32.8 feet. So the configuration of the dial, you can see there is a 30-second counter. Seconds are at the bottom, and on the top are the day and date. Modes are changed through this. Then of course you can start and stop the functions. Okay, for comparing it with my Casio G-Shock, so the GA100MC-1A. So if you like to have something really nice and beefy and large as a beater watch and don't want to spend around $100 for a Casio G-Shock, then the A-1500Wh is a good option for you, mainly because of the pricing. So let me put it on the wrist really quickly. So the price, like I mentioned, the European version goes for around $29.90. That is in euros, of course, but I did also checked Amazon, and the price there was around $27. So definitely nice and affordable, which is how it looks like on my 8+ inch wrist. So who knows how long will the resin band hold up, but maybe you could. Let me take it down and check the strap. So definitely you will have to get a replacement. I don't know if the replacement is available, probably not, but yeah. The battery powering this module is the CR2032, so it is a large button type battery that should last around 10 years. They even stating it at the bottom part here. So in my own experience, I had Casio watches that did run for around 15 years, but that was a really long time ago, and maybe you will get more than 10 years just because they're putting it on the front. But then of course there is no problem to changing out. Those batteries are fairly cheap. So probably my only concern would be shattering of the acrylic glass and breaking of the strap. But the watch should run for lots of years to come and give you a really great value for your money. Okay, so like I mentioned, the max size of the wrist is 24 centimeters. That is 9.4 inches. If you have a really large hand, then that is information you're probably searching for. Either way, yeah. and the band is really comfortable. I had a few watches with this resin band and had no problems to wearing it through the day. Okay, so with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my hobbies. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. And I would like to wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Be safe and have a nice day.